Every woman reaches a point where she looks around and says, I don't even recognize myself anymore. Not in a bad way, just that quiet moment of realizing you've outgrown old habits, old people, old patterns, even old versions of you. And that's exactly where I am right now. 2025 taught me everything. Who I am, who I'm not, and what peace actually feels like. And now, 2026 isn't about becoming someone new. It's about becoming unrecognizable to the version of me who settled. So today, we're talking about how to glow up in every sense, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually, before this new chapter fully begins. This isn't about perfection. It's about peace, alignment, and evolution. The mental glow up. The first step to becoming unrecognizable is to fix the mindset that kept you small. In 2025, I stopped arguing with people who didn't get me. I stopped explaining myself to people who already made up their mind. And I stopped holding on to things that didn't feed me peace. You become mentally unrecognizable when you stop living in survival mode. So I started waking up earlier, not to be productive, but to breathe, to journal, to pray, to check in with myself instead of checking my phone. Your peace starts in your morning, not your messages. Protect your mind and your whole aura upgrades. 2. The physical glow up. Becoming physically unrecognizable isn't about chasing perfection, it's about self-respect. I started drinking water like it's my job. I started walking more, eating better, moving my body, not because I hate it, but because I honor it. I started dressing intentionally, even at home, wearing perfume even if no one's around, and taking care of my skin like it's the soft armor that protects my peace. You'll notice, when you look better, you feel better. And when you feel better, you make better choices. That's not vanity, that's alignment. 3. The emotional glow up. This was the hardest one. In 2025, I learned how to sit with my feelings, not scroll past them. I stopped calling it overthinking when it was really just me needing to feel. Emotional maturity looks like not reacting to every trigger, not chasing closure, and not letting someone's lack of effort make you forget your worth. You become emotionally powerful when you can feel deeply and still move gracefully. Cry when you need to, but fix your crown after. 4. The feminine energy glow up. This one's about softness with boundaries. I stopped overgiving. I stopped explaining my calmness to people addicted to chaos, and I started doing everything: skincare, cleaning, working, with intention. The soft girl era isn't laziness, it's peace, discipline, and grace wrapped in calm confidence. When you move slower, speak softer, and protect your aura, people treat you differently because you're no longer available for anything that doesn't feel like alignment. And that glow, unmistakable. 5. The spiritual glow up. You can't become unrecognizable without healing your soul. I started talking to God more, not in a religious way, in a real way. Like, God, I'm tired, I'm scared, but I trust you. I started journaling my prayers, writing down the things I wanted to release, and watching peace slowly replace pressure. Your spiritual glow-up begins when you finally stop controlling everything and start surrendering. That's when life starts aligning itself for you, not against you. Then 6, the social glow-up. In 2026, I'm done being available to everyone. I stopped answering every text. I stopped explaining every boundary. And I stopped showing up in rooms where my energy wasn't respected. You don't need more friends. You need better alignment. Because when you protect your peace, you attract people who do the same. That's when your circle becomes sacred. 7. The aura glow up. When you've healed mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, it starts showing. People say you look different, but it's not your face. It's your frequency. It's the way you walk, the way you speak, the peace in your eyes, the calm in your voice. That's the glow no skincare brand can sell. Your aura becomes luxury when your energy stops leaking. So yeah, 2026 is the year I become unrecognizable. Not because I changed my face or body, but because I changed my habits, my peace, and my boundaries. The version of me that begged, over-explained, and settled, she's gone. The version that's showing up now, she's soft, glowing, grounded, and guided. And that's the real kind of unrecognizable. If you're stepping into your new era this year, calm, confident, and healed, comment, "My unrecognizable era starts now."